Batteries are no longer just powering phones and laptops. Today, they are pushing electric cars, flying military drones, and even challenging jet fuel in aviation. But here's the question. Can one battery technology power them all? Let's compare battery tech in jets, cars, and military drones, and discover which technology dominates the future. Electric cars rely mostly on lithium-ion batteries. These batteries balance energy, density, safety, and cost. Modern EVs can travel over 500 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to years of optimization. However, weight and charging time remain major challenges. This is why solid-state batteries are seen as the next big breakthrough, offering faster charging and higher energy density. Military drones prioritize endurance and reliability over comfort. High-density lithium polymer batteries allow drones to stay airborne for hours. Unlike cars, drones demand lightweight batteries with extreme performance. Every extra gram reduces flight time. Some advanced drones even combine batteries with solar panels or hybrid systems to extend missions. When it comes to jets, batteries face their biggest challenge. Jet fuel holds far more energy per kilogram than any battery today. This makes full electric passenger jets nearly impossible for now. Instead, aviation experiments with hybrid electric systems using batteries for taxiing, takeoff assistance, or short regional flights. Battery-powered aircraft are currently limited to small planes and short distances. So, who benefits most from battery technology? Cars win in practicality. Drones win in efficiency. Jets still depend on fuel, but not forever. Each platform pushes battery innovation in a different direction, accelerating global energy breakthroughs. As battery technology evolves, the line between ground, air, and military power continues to blur. The future of transportation depends on energy, not engines. If you enjoy this deep dive into future technology, like, subscribe, and comment which technology you believe will evolve fast.